usage?
It's one facet of the energy industry that is particularly ripe for coordination. Coordination across multiple, potentially competing, potentially non-competitive parties, and that's Electron's core focus, is the flexibility markets. And the reason I say that is essentially there's a really exciting kind of component of flexibility trade that doesn't really exist on, any other exchange-traded product today. A single turn-up or turn-down action from an end user has multiple non-rival value components for different players in the energy market. So if I'm a battery and I take a turn-down action, that sort of net movement, or the net effect of the system's balancing that does, that has a value to the systems operator, and they might pay for it. The location of that action, that will have a net positive or negative effect to the distribution network operator who's trying to manage flows and constraints and asset lives in the location. So he's capable of putting a price to that. And it also has value to a supplier, because they're trying to balance their trading position. Like, regardless of location, they want to make sure their net supply and their net demand is basically being matched. And actually down the line, there are other people who might pay for it. You might have people in the local area wanting to also reward that person for producing A, local, and B, green energy. So what's happening today is only bilateral trades are possible, because there is no coordination, everyone's trading on proprietary trading platforms. As soon as you can bring in this blockchain trading layer that we're developing, you can coordinate all those different trading elements. You can make sure that one asset receives the full value stack, essentially. This kind of vertical stacking in the same time period for the same action.
Right.
And that's why I think coordination is key in this market.